Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. This is the away jersey of Spain for the new season, the 25-26, in player version. But now, enjoy the video! I really like this jersey. It's not one of my favorite, but anyway, this is a 4 stars. I like the mix of colors and I like the material of the player version. Tell me if you agree. If you like the jersey, smash the like button. Before to say goodbye, remember to write a comment here below to tell me what other jersey you would like to see in the future, and subscribe the channel. It's just a click, a simple and little click, but it's really important for me and for the channel. See you next time. Ciao!